Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the dust collection system. Wow, here it comes. It's the dust collection system DX07. It's also nearly the same with DX6 and 7 is nearly both. The difference between them is I think there is no difference between them. There's looks like that you can have to use them at the right side or so. The dust extraction attachment with the Hepa filter is for use with the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion cordless brushless 1 inches rotary hammer XRH01V. This is sold separately, of course. The DX dust collector vacuum attachment features a Hepa filter engineered to capture 99.97% of dust particles. Size 0.3 microns and larger for improved dust collection and the Osha Table 1 compliance. The dust extractor attachment is powered by separate motor, allowing the rotary hammer to constantly maintain the peak drilling performance. The high-capacity dust container is transparent and provides an accurate level indicator of collected materials. The container captures concrete dust during drilling. Activate by the tool and provides a 3 seconds delay to help capture remaining dust. With a quick release, the dust container can be easily detached from the dust collection attachment when needed. The Osha Table 1 compliant on-board dust extractor includes a filter cleaning mechanism designed to help maintain the optimum suction efficiency. And the extractor is powered by a separate motor, allowing the rotary hammer work nice. And it captures concrete dust during drilling. And an efficient Hepa filtration system is built in. The extension allows drilling up to 3 up to 2.5 inches deep and up to 15-16 inches diameter holes. Depth stop adjustment button allows for accurate drilling depth. And transparent dust container provides needed visibility in determining contains fullness. It's compatible with the Makita 18-volt LXT rotary hammer model XRH01, for example. The sound level in the DX06 is 91 decibel. The DX7 comes with 90 decibel. The sound power level is up to 102 decibel, and in the DX7 101. So you can see the vibrations in the hammer drilling into concrete is 13.0 meter per second square. The uncertainty is 1.5 meter per second up to. And we can adjust the tip protrusion length. The protrusion of the tip is adjustable according to our hammer drill bit length. We hold the power tool so that the fingers does not press the switch trigger. When the stroke adjusting the button is pressed, the telescope section is released, and then it may jump out up to 100 millimeter under the spring pressure. So we have to wear goggles. We keep the bar tip to the attachment away from any objects, keeping the above jumping out distance in mind, and never point the attachment at ourselves by bystanding or animals. We press the stroke adjustment button and keep it pressed. Before starting pressing the stroke adjusting button, we push the nozzle forward and we press the power tool with the hammer drill bit installed against the wall until the drill bit tip touches the wall. We release the stroke adjusting button and lock it. Then we can set the drilling depth with a depth gauge. If holes required to be drilled to an extra depth, the correct depth needs to be determined by drilling test holes. And we hold the power tool so that the finger does not press the switch trigger. We press the depth gauge button and With the button pressed, slide the lock button carriage to the desired length and release it. Then we can beating the dust on the filter easily. We can rotate on a knob at the front side while the dust filter will be cleaned. Then of course we have to empty the dust filter periodically for a month, for once a year, as you like. Too much dust is in the dust case would result in a considerable loss of dust extraction power. Accordingly, we clean out the dust case regularly. And then we can make an easy and so much cleaner work process with that. The Hepa filter is replaceable. We can replace the Hepa filter. We can replace not only the Hepa filter, the rubber front side of this device can be replaced too. And then we are back in business so fast, and it helps you to get a better result without dust in the area where you are going to work. This is the dust extractor attachment with an HEPA filter cleaning mechanism. It's really cool, really easy to make the job with that device here. This is the Makita dust collection system, DX6 or DX07. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.